Hi, this is Diane of John and Diane Traveling, whatever we are, Traveling Adventure Tours. We're in Conwy Castle. It's in Wales, close to the ocean. We just saw the Dungeon Murder Pit, which apparently if you go on one side, you're having a feast, and if they take you to the other side, it's a place where pigeons now eat you. Very dark, very dank. It's really, really well preserved, and I don't know if you can tell from this video, it's huge. Apparently Edward I built this, and I think Edward I was 1300s. I haven't really done my history lesson on this yet, but apparently his royal chambers is very well preserved and not altered, so we'll go there next. And there's some stained glass still in here, so we're gonna see. I don't know anything else yet, and enjoy this video.